Hey everyone, it's Savvy here, and I am so excited for today's video because we are launching and showing you all the April box for the EcoTools Make Life Happen campaign. Now, Earth Day is in April, therefore the most perfect theme for this month's box is I've got a crush on the world, and it is the cutest box ever. I love it. And even on the side right here, I love this detail. It shows all the labels where it's cruelty-free, that it's renewable bamboo, that it's 100% vegan, and it shows again one of the reasons why we all love EcoTools so much. So let's dive in. That's me. Ooh, okay, we got a lot of stuff in here. All right, let's start with this. This is the Charcoal Cognac Facial Sponge. And so this is an exfoliator that I honestly just put in the shower every day. There's a little string on here so you can hook it onto a hook. And it's super easy to use every day. It's made with bamboo charcoal, so it exfoliates your face extra clean, and I love it. All right, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I use this literally every single day of my entire life. This is the EcoTools Perfecting Blender, and it's actually the very first blender made with all plant-based materials, which is awesome, and another reason why we love EcoTools. This is the EcoTools Smoothing Detangler, all right? So it does what it says, it detangles my hair, but it's also super great when I'm trying to blow dry my hair quickly. It is 20% faster, and it's really great on my fine hair. I don't find as much heat damage, and it's really helpful of that, and I love it. Also in this box, you're going to get the Contigo Purity Bottle. Now I've made a switch from using plastic bottles to glass bottles, and what I love about this is their logo is even drink pure, feel pure. You're also going to get in here the Dickinson's Pore Perfecting Toner. All right, so I love this stuff because it gets any extra residue or makeup off, making my face feel clean without totally drying it up. Super great, super daily, super easy. All right, now for the brushes. This is the EcoTools Frosted Finish Beauty Kit, all right? So this packaging and this whole set is specific to this April box. Now what I love about this is that the designing of it and designing of the brushes was all inspired by nature and the glaciers, which is just so cool, and I love that. It's fresh, it's clean, and all of these brushes are all the brushes you're ever gonna need. In here we have the Skin Perfecting, the concealer, the round powder, the full shadow, the angled liner, the spoolie, personal favorite, and a lip brush as well. On the back of here, it shows you tips on how to use them, and it also has some extra tips on how you can live eco-friendly. And to carry all of this in, you have your really cute, crushable I've Got a Crush on the World tote, because who doesn't? And that's our April box. So head on over to ecotools.com to get the box of your own so you can get all of these really great goodies, and you can celebrate Earth Month the EcoTools way. So much love.